Let's talk about user roles. On the left-hand side of the admin module, click on Units, Users, and Roles. On the top, you can see 3 tabs. Click on Roles. In Pipeliner, we give you 2 types of default roles, a standard user and a standard user plus admin. Each user in Pipeliner will be assigned to a particular user role. If you don't care for the types of things that people can see and do based on the standard user or the standard user admin, you can create your own user role. Click on Create New, decide what the user role will be called, and then decide in the green bar what they can be able to see, and then underneath it what they can be able to do with what they can see. Each of these sections is divided by the type of entity. Here's the accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities. Underneath that, you can assign that user role to a specific pipeline or all pipelines, and you can also decide on whether that person has access to perform tasks and what tasks they would be able to see, and then what they can do with those tasks that they can be able to see. Features tab represents the types of menus you have in Pipeliner. And if you don't want someone to have access to a particular menu, for example, all the sales staff, maybe you don't want them to be able to create their own reports, or maybe you don't want them to have access to insights, or maybe you don't want them to be able to export data. Just shut it off by clicking on this and you'll see a red with an X. Turn it on and you'll have a green box with a check mark in it. And the same thing is for the admin role. If they don't have administrative rights, you would want to toggle all of this off, and you can use the toggle off on the top. Thank you for joining me.